1, 2, 4 voor Hoogveen.
Roger, 1, 2 it is, loud and clear.
En de Papa Victor, leiding op runway 1, 2.
Clear.
Tempo Radio, Pop Hotel, Romeo, 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 for transit 4 POV, pilot's name is Horn, request airport information.
Triple Romeo, loud and clear, runway 03.
Runway 03, Papa Romeo, Romeo.
En de Papa Victor, leaving de circuit, bedankt voor de medewerking.
Tot ziens, goede vlucht.
Hey, bedankt, tot de volgende keer, Papa Victor. just airborne Cessel.
Tango Victor, goedendag.
Goedendag, Cessna 172 via voor Cessel to Hoogveen, 1 POB. And current altitude 1600.
Roger, Tango Victor, flight info, QNH 1009er.
1009er en Roger, Tango Victor.
Dutchmail, Lifeliner 5.
Lifeliner 5 dus wel.
Lifeline 5 just north of Lelystad 5, PV inbound Drachten Hospital.
Roger, Drachten Hospital, copy it, 5 on board, QNH 1009er, flight info.
1009er, flight info, Lifeliner 5.
Oké,
Dutchmail, Papa Hotel, Charlie Papa Tango.
Charlie Papa Tango dus wel.
Ja, goedemiddag, de 4 flight 202 Maastricht, 2 POB, aircraft type Charlie Papa 10, request flight info, Papa Tango.
Papa Tango, Roger, flight info, de QNH 1009er.
1009, Papa Tango.
Sunfield, de Papa Hotel 1073, scan over het Cessel leaving the Romeo 5.
Roger, 1073, thank you.
En een goede dag, 1073. Let's go Papa Hotel 1035, overhead,
1035 dus wel.
Papa Hotel 1035, glider powered 4 from Drachten to Hogeveen. Position south of Drachten. 5000 feet, request to climb into class D airspace up to flight level 65.
Roger, Dutchmail, Papa Hotel 172, request change to contact unit air
013. Roger, Papa Victor Fox Charlie, flight info, QNH now regional 1009er.
1009er now, Papa Fox Charlie, Roger. Heading 114, okay. Heading 114. Dutch info, de Papa Hotel Tango Victor request frequency change. Amsterdam info. Golf Victor approved, goodbye. Bedankt, approved, goodbye, Papa Victor.
Papa Alpha Victor Amsterdam, we have found your project. Will you be flying the lines from south to north?
From south to north, Papa Alpha Victor.
Roger. Amsterdam, zeker?
Papa Hotel, Mike
released by Schiphol, returning to Teugen.
Papa Delta Foxtrot, first traffic, 12 o'clock, 2 miles, opposite direction, 1,200 feet.
Copy, Papa Delta Fox.
Identified, QNH is 1009er.
1009, Papa Delta Fox.
Papa Hotel X-Ray Amsterdam.
Papa Hotel X is visual with the Bennett Tower as well.
Thank you so much.
Ja, visual as well, Delta Fox. En Papa Hotel X, request switch check of tower. Fox Lima Delta.
That's Murphy, the Papa Hotel Tango Golf Victor, deck with you just west of Urk, VFR 10.2 Hoogveen. Tango Golf Victor, Roger QNH 1009. 1009, Papa Golf Victor.
Charlie 1.
That is approved.
Climbing Charlie 1 approved, Hotel 1403. Dutch Mail, Papa Hotel 4 Romeo 4, just leaving Gooi CTR.
4 Romeo 4, dus wel.
Goedemiddag, Mike Line, Tango Lima 202 POB, currently 1600 overhead, Zulu, and staying with you for flight info.
Roger 4 Romeo 4, de QNH van 009, flight info.
1009, Papa Romeo 4.
En dus met de Papa Hotel Tango Golf Victor approaching Hoogveen, request frequency change. De Golf Victor, frequency change approved, goodbye. Approved, bedankt, tot ziens, Papa Golf Victor. Hoogveen Radio, goedemiddag, de Papa Hotel Tango Golf Victor.
Papa Golf Victor Hoogveen, goedemiddag.
Goedemiddag, just now 172 VFR Tesla to your field, just west of Hoogveen, request aerodrome information for a full stop.
Papa Golf Victor, Roger, runway news is 09, left-hand circuit. Surface wind is 090 at 10 knots, QNH 1011, and the glide is active.
09, left-hand circuit, and the glide is active, Papa Golf Victor. And the Papa Victor joining mid-downwind 09 after the full stop.